Okay, so you're welcome again. So the next bar, we have talked about the menu bar. I've showed you about the standard bar and then the workspace. See the workspace bar is here. This is the workspace bar. Now let me show you very well so you can be sure. See, let me drag it out. This is the workspace bar. What do we have inside? You have the 3D model, the AutoCAD Classic, the Save As, worksheet settings. You'll be treating this in the advanced classes. So, but don't worry, if you don't work on it now, it doesn't mean you won't be able to work with anything you will do in this training. Believe me, you can live on it. So look at this bar, the standard bar. I intentionally drag them out so that you can identify them very well, very well. So look at them one after the other. Most things under the file are also under this. So look at them. These are the common things they undo, the redo. Look at the pan. You'll be using this pan often, and you'll be using this zoom and this zoom window and the zoom read time. You'll be using them often, and the calculator you'll be using them often. Let me drag them back to their place. Okay. This must be dragged properly. Okay. So we have the layers. Look at the layer. What you'll be doing here, I will let you know. You can create a layer, but this layer you don't need to rush to hit presently. Be a little bit on the intermediate level before you started working on the layer. This layer is something you can do once and for all, and that is what you'll be using forever. We have people like that, all these pros. Once they create layers like this, that is what they will be using throughout. People used to set layer like that, so they will be using it every time. Then we have this with the lines, this with the line weight. We call it property. You know, the whole thing you are going to be doing in AutoCAD is line. You'll be picking line. Line is everything is line. So the property of the line. This is what actually deals with the property of the line. So the property, and under the property we have the by layer. We have let's click on it. The by layer, you see color is there. Then you see this one, the another by layer. By layer is just the default. By layer is the default name for everything inside these properties. The by layer default white. In under color, other is by block, by red, red color, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and green. Then you can also select mixed color. Then here you have the block. The block means a line that does not break, that does not have any breaking. The continuous is also a line, but you click others, you see different type of dash line and the likes. And look at this. We have the line weight. This is also part of the property. The line weight. The weight vary from each other. So when you draw a line and you want, in graphics, when you are looking at a structure, when you are looking at a design, the part that is more closer to you will be bolder than the part that is far from you. I think you get it. You get what I'm trying to say. Don't worry, you will get it later if you don't get it now. So we now use this line weight to represent them. We use this line weight to represent them. Then let's go to this draw. Let's go to draw. Okay, see, under draw, this is what you need most. Everything you want to do, this is the tool you'll be using. The tools you'll be using: the line, you see the construction line, you see the polygon, you see the rectangle, the arc, circle, revision cloud, spline, ellipse, ellipse arc, insert block, make block, points, hash, gradient, region, table, and text. So that is it on that line draw. So okay, let's proceed. Then we have this modify. Look at the modify. We have the erase. Erase, if you want to delete a line, you want to clean a line up. And this copy, you want to make copy of a drawing. Mirror, you want to mirror on. So this mirror, there is a trick there. Let's assume you want to draw on a single block of flat. You have let's say you want to draw like two flats on a block. You know, maybe 3 bedrooms in the front, three bedroom is at the back, and they are the same design. So what you do is draw the first 3 bedroom, now mirror it to the back, so you have it in the two. It's just like copy, but this time you mirror it, so it will also just create a copy for you. Then this offset, you want to make a repetition, you want to draw a line. You know, wall, you represent wall with 2 lines, so you want to create that wall. Now the same line you want to draw, you want to have an accurate size, you use offset. You just press the size you want. That is what you use offset for. We are going to be doing that in the next slide. Then we have others. We have explode, we have fillet, we have chamfer, we have joint, we have break at point, we have extend, trim, then we have stretch, we have scale, rotate, and move, and array. So that is on that. So let's proceed. Which one do we have again? We have this draw order. Draw order. You can bring one to the front, take one to the back, bring above an object, and take under an object. Then let's quickly brush through. Then look at this, the model. I've talked about it. Then the command line. Anything you want to do is on this command line. Then look at this place also. We are going to be using them. Because we're talking about them. If this line width LWT is not on, any line width you are applying from here will not show. So for anything to show, you have to turn it on under this place. So let's proceed.